Hey tech lovers, welcome back to Gadget Guru. Today, we're talking about how to choose the right smartwatch in 2024. With so many options out there, it can be overwhelming. But don't worry, I've got you covered. Let's dive in. First up, battery life. If you need a smartwatch that can last several days on a single charge, look for models with long battery life. The Garmin Venu 2 Plus and Fitbit Versa 4 are great options, offering up to a week of battery life. Next, health and fitness tracking. If you're a fitness enthusiast, choose a smartwatch with comprehensive health tracking features. The Apple Watch Series 8 and Samsung Galaxy Watch 5 offer advanced metrics like ECG, blood oxygen levels, and detailed workout tracking. Compatibility is crucial. Make sure the smartwatch you choose is compatible with your smartphone. The Apple Watch works best with iPhones, while the Samsung Galaxy Watch and Google Pixel Watch are great for Android users. Design and customization are also important. Look for a smartwatch that matches your style and offers customizable watch faces and bands. The Fossil Gen 6 and Withings ScanWatch are stylish options with plenty of customization. Lastly, consider price and value. If you're on a budget, there are great options like the Amazfit GTR 3 and TicWatch E3, offering impressive features without breaking the bank. Choosing the right smartwatch in 2024 comes down to your specific needs. Whether it's battery life, health tracking, compatibility, design, or price, there's a perfect smartwatch for you. Thanks for tuning in to Gadget Guru. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more tech tips and reviews. See you next time.